Myself T. Nandini, Assistant Professor of IT, KSR College of Engineering. Now I am discuss about the topic types of cloud models. There are the two types of cloud models. One is a cloud service model, another one is a cloud deployment model. Cloud service model can be classified by three types. One is a infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Cloud deployment model can be classified by four types: public cloud, private cloud, community cloud, and hybrid cloud. Next, we move on to cloud service models. First one is a infrastructure as a service. IaaS is also known as hardware as a service. It is a computing infrastructure managed over the internet. The main advantages of using IaaS is help the user to avoid the cost and the complexity of purchasing and managing the physical servers. Example of IaaS is: instead of buying your own home, if you go for the rent, owner of the home will provide only the infrastructure. Tenant will have to manage and for the different items such as sofa sets, dining table, cupboards, etc. IaaS cloud providers can give you entire range of computing infrastructure such as storage, server, networking hardware, alongside maintenance and support. Example of IaaS is Amazon Web Service, Microsoft Azure, Google Compute Engine, DigitalOcean, etc. This is an example of IaaS. Next, we move on to platform as a service. The main offering included by PaaS vendors are: one is a development tool, next one is a OS, next one is a database management system, next is a infrastructure. What is under the development tool is programming language, application framework, next one is a database. In programming language have the Java, PHP, Ruby, Perl, etc. In application framework such as Node.js, WordPress, Spring, Play, Rack, etc. Database such as ClearDB, PostgreSQL, MongoDB to communicate with application. This is known as platform as a service. Next, we move on to software as a service. Uh, in SAS, you don't need to install and run the software application on your computer. Everything is available over the internet when you log into your account online. You can usually access the software from any device anytime as long as there is any internet connection. As same goes for anyone else using the software. All your staff will have the personalized login suitable to access the software. Is a main example of SAS is we day to day life we access the Gmail software. Using of Gmail, we have to access more softwares. Example: Google Drives, Google Classrooms, next Google Photos, locations, etc. Without installing any software, we have to access via the browser. This is known as SAS. Using of login, we access the many software. This service provided by software as a service. Next, we see the diagrammatic representation of cloud service model. One is the first we represent IaaS, next we represent PaaS, the last is SaaS. In IaaS, the cover networking, storage, server, virtualization will under the IaaS. These services are provided by IaaS. Next, we move on to PaaS. PaaS will provide networking, storage, server, visualization, OS, middleware, and runtime. Next, SAS will cover all those things, mainly application and data. Next, we see another diagrammatic representation. Cloud service model. Cloud service model in IaaS under physical data center, server, networking, storage. Next, PaaS can have OS, database management system, and development tool. In SAS under the cloud host application. This is the cloud service model. In IaaS, the cloud service provider offer the database, web server, application server, messaging service, storage, and all the service to the customer. Customer can buy what time they used. Next point is it's a model allocate the visualized computing resource like server, storage, network to the user through the internet. Next, you buy the apartment, buy the infrastructure like server, storage, network, and leave there. But you need to design your room, architecture and designing, install the electricity. The apartment yours, but land and building belongs to someone else. Say example of Amazon Web Service, Microsoft Azure. Next is a PaaS. It will provide environment to the customer to develop, testing and delivering the code in the cloud. It provide the development tool also. It is a model third party provider deliver the hardware and software tools that user can use them directly. Next one is one of the example. So once give you fully furnished house, hardware and software tool, that is example. All you have to shift to the apartment, you have all the furniture and are ready for the use. The Google App Engine is an example of it. It is an example of PaaS. Next is SaaS. It deliver the software application over the internet on the subscription basis. Cloud provider will manage the software application, cloud infrastructure, software updates and security patches. Next is user can connect to the application using browser or PC and any mobiles. It is a software distribution model in which third party provider hosts the application and make them available to the user and over the internet. It is an example of Netflix, Amazon Prime, Gmail, Spotify is example of SES. It is a, we have to log in for the software. We access the all those features. This is a concept of cloud service models and thank you.